Here's something most people don't realize about Medicare enrollment, coverage gaps, and cost-saving tips. Waiting just 1 year can cost you thousands. I'll show you exactly what to do and when to do it. When it comes to Medicare enrollment, coverage gaps, and cost-saving tips, the dollar amounts are bigger than most people think. The average American leaves money on the table every year simply because they don't know the rules changed. Here's the real picture. The difference between doing this right versus doing nothing often runs into 5 figures over a retirement. And the best part? Most of these strategies don't require a financial advisor, just the right information at the right time. Timing is everything with Medicare enrollment, coverage gaps, and cost-saving tips. There are specific age thresholds, enrollment windows, and deadlines that, once missed, are nearly impossible to undo. If you're 62, 65, 67, 70, or 73, you have critical decisions coming up. Mark these ages on your calendar because the window for action is narrow. The good news, if you know the dates, you can plan backwards and make decisions with a clear head. There are several hidden rules around Medicare enrollment, coverage gaps, and cost-saving tips that most guides skip. First, your spouse's situation directly affects your options in ways that aren't obvious. Second, working part-time in retirement changes the math significantly. Third, state taxes create wildly different outcomes depending on where you live. These 3 factors alone can flip the best strategy from one option to another completely different one. Here's exactly what to do about Medicare enrollment, coverage gaps, and cost-saving tips this week. Step 1. Pull your latest statement or log into your account online. You need your actual numbers, not guesses. Step 2. Check the official.gov website for current rules because they change annually. Step 3. Write down 3 specific questions and get answers from a trusted source. Take these steps this week, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people your age. If you found this useful, subscribe and tap the bell. I release retirement guides like this every week. Drop your questions below. I read every comment.